Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another amazing recipe. So let's make together a very nice and delicious TikTok cookie baked oatmeal. So for this recipe, take a blender jar and in that add half a cup of oats, half a banana, a quarter cup of milk, 1 egg, a pinch of salt, quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're gonna cover it and blend it until it's all well combined. Now you can see we have blended it and let's see how it looks. So it has all incorporated very well. You can see it should look something like this. Now pour the batter in an oven safe baking dish. I'm taking this cute little one. Now top it with some chocolate chips, as much as you want, and after that we're gonna bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes or until it's done. So you can see our oatmeal cookie is ready and it looks absolutely delicious. It's perfect for breakfast and it's very healthy. And you can see how gorgeous the color is. Chocolate chips look amazing. And it looks great. So let's dig in and see how it looks from the inside. So you can see it looks like a cake which is made with oats, and how amazing it turned out. So I really hope you liked this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you want to watch more TikTok recipes. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.